Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. This one is actually from a company called WSKEN Wideskin? I don't even know if you can pronounce that. But what I did was, I went to Amazon and I went to shop for one of the cheapest cases I could find. Look at the price of that. $4.99. Says that it has a 74% thing. It's actually prime eligible too, so we will see how this case fits. It has one review, which is a bad review, but let's check it out. Nice little packaging from them. Not too bad. If you don't want to pause that, you can definitely read it. Now, everyone complains about the cases for the Fold being expensive. But, I mean, the Fold is an expensive phone. So here's the back. Does not have any adhesive strips on here. You do get little lens protection. I'm definitely not going to put that on my phone. But, if you want to, you can definitely do so. But I'm not going to put that on my phone. And then here's the front of it. It doesn't have a screen protector or anything. Now this does have a little strip for adhesive. Let's see how this thing fits. So this is the green color. Now, do you get lip protection? Yes, you do. Again, no hinge protection. That's okay. I wouldn't expect it with this case. Do you get camera protection? You get some. I mean, there's some there. Does it show off your fingerprints? Yes, it does. It says Fold case at the bottom there. The vine rockers and the power button are open. Everything at the top lines up. Everything at the bottom, this is open, but it lines up. So you can get to the power button easy. Do you get any lip action? You get some, and that's how it looks. And this is how it looks closed. Doesn't look bad though. I like how that green looks. Not too bad. I mean, for $4, I mean, is it any better or worse than, say, this case here? Or even my little wallet case there? I don't know. Let's see the overall fit. And, I mean, you can't... look. Now I had to rip that off of the phone. I really had to pull that off to get it off. And then this side is not coming off. So it actually fits better than some of the other cases. I'm actually pretty shocked with this. It doesn't add much bulk to your phone. Now, will it protect it from small drops? I'm gonna say yes. I wouldn't want to drop this on a cement, concrete floor from 5 or 6 feet up in the air. But it should protect it from a small drop or something. I mean, it's $5, so just an inexpensive way of protecting your phone. Maybe if you don't drop your phone a lot, this might be something that you want to pick up. And you can wireless charge with it too, so I don't know what y'all think about it. Again, you can pick it up from Amazon. And here it is here. But I will have the links in the description if you want to pick up this case from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see other non-expensive cases, let me know. I might order some more cases that doesn't cost an arm and a leg for your phone. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for new videos coming out on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.